Hi, I'm Rileigh McMullen and I'm a grade 9 student in Miss Watson's English class. Over the last few weeks, we've been learning about Aboriginal cultures and symbols that are meaningful to them. I hope my project can capture the beauty of Aboriginal culture and its symbols.
The protector of minds and dreams, with the dreamcatcher, we have no fear or terror, only the lessons that are taught. Filtering through its web, the good and the bad, lying here wide awake, I'm scared of sleeping now. My mind is no longer protected. The bad dreams aren't caught in a web. I've lost my dreamcatcher. For my symbol poem, I chose a dreamcatcher. The dreamcatcher is important to the Aboriginal community because they believe that the dreamcatcher protects your mind when you're sleeping, and that dreamcatchers trap nightmares so that you can have a peaceful sleep. In line 2, I have a metaphor, and in line 9, I have a personification. Both the metaphor and the personification help give you a feeling of vulnerability. Whoa. Trapped within these walls, forced perfection by punishment, taken and stripped, molded and shaped, numbers not names, that's what we were. We were once kind and loved, we used to smile. But the smiles are wiped from our faces. We were told kindness was weakness, love was useless. Numbers, not names. That's what we were. I chose to write about residential schools because they are a very important part of the Aboriginal community's history. In line 2, I have an alliteration, and in line 5 and 12, I have repetition. And the repetitions really emphasize the fact that people lost their identities and they became numbers and not names. Love. Love is beautiful. Love is as precious as gold. Treasure it every day. Wisdom. People earn wisdom. Some people are born with it, some throw it away. In line 2 of my love haiku poem, I have a simile, and in line 3 of my wisdom poem, I have a metaphor. I chose love and wisdom because to me, they are the most important of their grandfather teachings because love teaches us to embrace one another and to be there for each other, and wisdom guides us in our choices. Light in the dark. Everyone sleeps when he's out. No love like the sun gets, but he still shines bright. Light in the dark. Silently protecting us as we sleep in peace, keeping the secrets of the insomniacs. In line 6, I have a personification. I chose to write about the moon because the moon is a very important part of Aboriginal culture. Fire, burn bright, raging inside. It's uncontrollable. Some use its power, others its light, forever. In line 2, I have a personification. I chose fire because fire is one of the main elements and it symbolizes rebirth. Fire has the power to destroy or empower a nation. It can be used for good or bad, depending on one's intentions. I would like to say thank you to Alex Nelson, Starlet Anderson, and Miss Watson. I would like to thank Alex Nelson for giving me the inspiration to write my emotion poem, Starlet Anderson for helping me to better understand poetry, and Miss Watson for giving me the idea of my symbol poem as well as helping me along this journey.